Hi, my name is Devin O'Neill from O'Neill Rose Architects. We're standing here in our project called Cowboy Heaven in Big Sky, Montana. We were fortunate enough to work with a company called Delta Millworks, who provided all of the Shou-suig-ban treated wood that you see on the exterior of the house. The wood is Accoya, which is an engineered wood that they recommended that we use, which was wonderful because it has an amazing resistance to decay and the weather, which we were very fortunate at being in the location on top of a mountain. So the house is wrapped in Shou-suig-ban, which is a traditional Japanese technique of burning timber to treat it, to give it a finish. My initial description to them was that I wanted to recreate kind of a basket weave of a snow fence on the exterior of the house. Through images of snow fences that you see out in the West and with relationship to our drawings, they were able to produce a product that met the specifications of the design. Not only just the exterior siding that you see behind me, but it's also the window trim, which is solid material that is, 5/4 of an inch thick, to the window sills and to other members in here. So they were able to work in a variety of scales that really helped the project.